top three products which you recommend to newbies from your experience.
Which products do you want to start with? I want to see a transformation in all of you. Before you even take the products, take a photo so that you'll have before and after. Three products that will help transform you, and at the same time, products that will help you strengthen your immune system and be healthy. Now, listen. Number one is our benchmark product, which is aloe vera gel. This is for detox or for cleansing. As the saying goes, you are the food that you eat. Whatever your state of health right now is because of what you are eating. This is a special shout out, especially for people who lives in Lahore. If you are from Lahore, be recognized, because I have a couple of friends from Lahore. People in from Lahore will talk about dinner. We'll talk about food every time. They have breakfast and they will ask what lunch will be. And when it is lunch, people ask what dinner will be. So, yeah, from Lahore, right there. Yes, you need to take this. You need to take aloe vera gel because it will help cleanse your system. It will detox your system to flush out the necessary substances inside your body. We have Arctic Sea fish oil. Fish oil. We take this. We have been taking this for 30 years already. The aloe vera gel also, it's our daily drink. Arctic Sea is for heart health. It will help improve your circulatory system, and it will also it is from deep sea tuna and pink salmon, and it is known to be really effective and powerful food supplement for heart health and circulatory system, right? And of course, the favorite, especially even among our grandchildren, is our absorbent C, vitamin C. There's a lot of vitamin C even in the pharmacy, but pharmacy is most of the vitamin C's there. They will try to promote a large number of milligrams, but well, I know that there are doctors are listening. We appreciate you. Thank you very much for being here, for listening. But your body can only absorb a certain number of milligram in vitamin C in the body. What is good about our vitamin C is that this will stay in your body for 48 hours to protect your immune system. No? And this is bonded by oat bran, so that you can even take this without on empty stomach. It has oat bran, and it is you will be your immune system will be protected for at least 48 hours, and it is 60 milligrams of each vitamin C. Now, if you are smokers and you cannot stop smoking, please bear in mind that for every stick of cigarette that you smoke, you lose about 25 to 15 milligrams of vitamin C in your body, more than enough for you to look older than your age. Then every time you smoke, make sure you chew. This is chewable. Chew at least a tablet of this every day. So these three products you can start with, for yourself. And trust me, even in just 30 days, you will see a transformation, that you will look younger, more handsome, and more beautiful, like Lonnie and I.
I just add this, Zeeshan, I'm taking royal jelly. Because this is royal jelly for anti-aging, anti-aging and the memory retention for our age, of course. So do you know that I'm taking at least 8 tablets of this? And this is my candy, actually. So I'm taking this 6 to 8 tablets a day, just chewable. It's a candy. And look at my skin, right? So I said, I'm 61 years old. So you better follow me, all right?